Which one football let's say Mamelodi Sundowns 7 Swanele 3 fana ngithi ikhama uthini
bambiza ngoLucas the best tactician.
Oh, the best technician.
What Sundowns fans are saying it's incorrect because us we have more quality than Sundowns.
Yes.
Sundowns don't have experience.
Yeah.
For me, in my opinion, I want experience. They have quality. The football that they play.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Magaza man.
Yamagata.
And sometimes the coach abona kure entle dilo Magaza.
Yeah.
That's why they say Magaza mara. But can we say it's football? Football is unpredictable.
Yes.
It has its own, what can we say, ways of how it is.
Yes. Yes.
And how Sundowns played today was excellent. So
Yeah.
Give credit to them.
Yes. Yes. So, score. Yeah. So,
the Galante 8-1. Galante 8-1.
Yeah. So, result ya Jeno is showing Molly King. Result ya Jeno is showing Molly King.
Marlika ya tama ferna mabere.
Yeah, I saw tama.
Arafela moya.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, thank you.